Assalamu alaikum my followers and colleagues. In this video, I will show you how to use the Vestel air conditioner remote control. This is the on-off button of the air conditioner. With its help, we can turn the air conditioner on and off. We use the mode button to change the mode of the air conditioner. This air conditioner has 5 modes: auto, cooling, dry, fan, and heating. Each time the mode button is pressed, the air conditioner switches to the next mode. Since most users use the air conditioner in cooling mode, we will first explain how to use this mode. We press the mode button, and when a snowflake appears on the screen, the air conditioner switches to the cooling mode. In cooling mode, we recommend setting the air conditioner temperature to 22-24 degrees Celsius. Because staying in a room with a temperature below 22 degrees Celsius for a long time can cause a cold. This button is used to select the fan speed. This air conditioner has 4 speeds: auto, high, medium, and low. You can choose a low speed so that the fan sound does not disturb you in the bedroom. We press the mode button and the water drop icon appears on the screen. This is the drying mode and used to reduce the humidity in the house. When we press the mode button again, we switch to fan mode. In this mode, the air conditioner works like a regular fan. We press the mode button again and a sun symbol appears on the screen. This is heating mode. It is recommended that we set the temperature above 26 degrees Celsius in heating mode. Setting the air conditioner's fan speed to auto fan speed mode in this mode allows the air conditioner to work more efficiently. Because in this mode, the fan speed is controlled by the microprocessor. In this case, the evaporator will freeze only when the air temperature approaches 0 degrees Celsius. In heating mode, it takes 20 or 40 minutes depending on the air temperature for the air conditioner to operate at its nominal power. When we press the mode button again, we switch to auto mode. In this mode, the air conditioner tries to maintain the temperature in the house at the level we set. For example, let's say we set the air conditioner to 25 degrees Celsius in auto mode. In this case, if the temperature is above this indicator, the air conditioner will work in cooling mode, and if it is below, in heating mode. We press the mode button again to return to cooling mode. Now we will explain the other modes. We raise the temperature with this button and lower it with this one. With the help of the swing button, we can move the blinds of the air conditioner up and down or stop them in a desired position. Sometimes we set the temperature to 21-22 degrees Celsius when getting ready to sleep. This can cause a cold. There is a sleep mode to prevent this. In this mode, the air conditioner will raise the temperature by 1 degree after 2 hours and again by 1 degree after a few hours. At the bottom of the display, we see the clock. To set the clock, we need to hold down the set button for a few seconds. When the clock starts flashing, we set the clock with the help of this button. This air conditioner has 2 timer modes. timer on and timer off. Timer on is for turning on the air conditioner at a desired time. For example, if we want the air conditioner to turn on at PM 6, we switch to the timer on mode by pressing the timer button twice and set PM 6 with the help of this button and confirm by pressing set button. To exit this mode, we need to press the cancel button. Or if we want the air conditioner to turn off at 4 in the morning, for example, we press the timer button once and set the timer of mode to 4 a.m. After that, we confirm by pressing the set button. To exit this mode, we need to press the cancel button. Thank you for following us until the end.